all you have is $100 to your name and you're trying to make trading work, you're not crazy, you're not alone, and yes, it can be done. But 99% of traders fail at it because they go about it completely wrong. What I'm going to show you in this video isn't some recycled advice about just saving up more money or getting lucky on a big trade. This is the exact mindset and approach that can realistically take a $100 account and begin scaling it. And if you stay with me to the end, you'll see the exact principles that I'm using in my $100 to $1,000 live trading challenge, which you can actually watch here on the channel in real time. Now let's get right to it. All right, let's be honest. You're not going to turn $100 into a Lamborghini overnight. This isn't the lottery, this is trading. Most traders think that having a small amount of capital limits their potential, which is wrong. Small capital just means you need to play the game differently, smarter, more patient, and with trading rules that you follow. If you treat a $100 account the same way you treat a $10,000 account, you'll fail because the margin for error is smaller. This stage is about building discipline, working on your execution, and compounding small wins. And that's what's gonna set you up to grow in the future. And not just this $100 account, but any account you trade in the future. I tell people all the time, you don't need a big account to learn how to trade properly. Here are 3 trading rules to stick to that will not only help you protect your account, but help you grow it as well. Rule number 1 is protecting your capital is first priority. Your number 1 job at this stage of your trading journey is not to double your account, it's to protect it. If you blow your account, that's it, it's gone. But if you protect it, you can keep trading, you can keep learning, and you'll get much better, much faster. A great way to do this is keeping your risk on each trade very low, like 1 to 2% max. And before you say that that's too small to matter, remember this. If you can manage risk and grow a small account, you're already doing better than 90% of traders. This stage of trading isn't about making tons of money. It's about learning the skill. Rule number 2 is to focus on 1 or 2 setups max. You don't want to be chasing every move the market makes, and you don't want to be flip-flopping from strategy to strategy, entering all kinds of different trades. Pick 1 or 2 high probability setups, like breakouts or trend continuations. By only focusing on 1 or 2 of these setups instead of more, you'll gain much more experience with them much faster, which will inevitably improve your results and allow you to scale your account much quicker. This is the exact same thing that I did when I was starting out, and it's also how I'm growing my $100 account in my $100 to $1,000 live trading challenge. 1 or 2 clean setups and a few trades per week is the perfect amount for growing an account this size, or any size for that matter. And rule number 3 is to secure your profits. Too often, traders enter great trades and see nice profit, but leave empty-handed or with a loss. If you want to see your account grow, you need to secure your profits consistently without being greedy and without letting your winning trades turn into losses. This alone has saved and grown more accounts than any perfect strategy ever could. Remember, small wins compound, and securing those profits is what really grows your account over time. Now let me tell you what truly separates traders who grow their account from traders who blow their account. It's not the strategy, it's not the entries, it's the mindset. Most beginner or non-beginner traders with small accounts overtrade, over-leverage, chase their trades, and revenge trade every time they take a loss. It's emotional and it's rushed. You need to treat your $100 account just like you would a $50,000 account. Not because of the money, but because of the habits you're building. These habits that you're building at this early stage of your trading will reflect when you have that larger account. So it's very important you build a strong foundation from day 1. As you gain more experience in the market, you'll start to notice these bad habits, and that's ultimately going to help you with improving them. At this point, you've got the basics. You know you need quality setups, not quantity. You need discipline and proper risk management. Here are 4 simple but extremely helpful tips that I wish someone had given me when I had first started. Number 1 is to stick to one strategy and master it. Stop jumping from one strategy to another. Pick one strategy that works for you and stick to it. Focus on getting better at one thing before trying anything else. Improvement and success will come from repetition, not constant change. Number 2 is to focus on consistency, not perfection. Trading isn't about getting every trade perfect. It's about being consistent over time. Make smart and calculated trades, secure your profits when you can, and stay disciplined. Number 3 is don't rush. Everyone wants to turn $100 into $1,000 overnight. But that's the exact mindset that will get you wrecked in the market. Smart traders are focusing on base hits. Not every single trade needs to be a home run. A 3% profit week might not sound exciting until you realize that that's 12% a month. Stack that over time, and now you're seeing real growth. Consistent growth doesn't happen overnight. You need to be patient and you need to stay consistent. And if you can handle that, these results will be light work. And number 4 is to review more than you trade. This tip is commonly overlooked, but makes a huge difference. The best traders spend more time reviewing charts in past trades than they do clicking buy or sell. They study past trades, they replay setups, and they learn from their winning and losing trades. This is key if you really want to learn and become a better trader, which will in turn allow you to grow your account. A lot of the important trading lessons you need to become that leveled up version of yourself are going to be found in your past trades. There are some lessons that can only be taught through experience, and this is exactly how you learn those lessons. So, can you really grow a $100 account? The answer is yes, but it's not going to happen overnight. You need to be selective with the trades you enter and only enter smart, quality trades. You need to secure your profit when you can. You need to stay consistent and let these wins compound over time. If you're willing to put in the time and the work, those small wins will add up quickly. Remember, you don't have to be perfect and you don't need to be shooting for perfection. It's about making progress and taking steps in the right direction day after day. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and live trading streams every weekday. I'll see you in the next one.